Hi, welcome to Pete's Garage. About a month ago, I was grocery shopping and I was fiddling with my mask, and without thinking, I got out, hit the lock button, and locked the keys into my Suburban. Now, I own a square body Suburban and it has vent wings, and the only way I could get back in was break a window. That was really the only option I had. And so I broke the passenger side vent wing. That sucked. But I got in a truck and I got home and I was able to seal it up fairly okay, and for a while it was fine. And then on one of my junkyard forays not months ago, weeks ago, a couple weeks ago, I pulled a complete vent wing assembly from a late 70s square body pickup truck. And then today I finally decided to try and get that put back into the truck. The window is just slightly different than the late 80s window. It's almost the same, but not quite. But I made it fit, and I got everything in there, and it sits in there. But it will not open again. But that's fine. I have glass. That's all I wanted. The glass looks way better than Gorilla Tape and cardboard, which is what I had in there before. Hey, click subscribe and like. It helps. All right. I'll see you later.